maisip na paano kaya kung ako yung nasa ganitong klase ng sitwasyon, lalong-lalo na doon sa mga magulang. So, doon sa mga parents na nandito, maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you. Si bilang magulang, gagawin ko ang lahat para paduktungan ang buhay ng anak-anak. Mapasaya sila. Mapalakas sila.
Welcome to Davao.
Also just want to honor Boss RDR for really leading and not giving up. And know that you deserve this kind of people. Sobrang happy kami with GCI, honestly. Sobrang happy kami. Na-express namin yung we're very family-oriented couple. Gusto namin with family community, madaming tao. And sobrang aligned while we grow ourselves personally in business and relationships. We can play na masaya. It's a legacy we can enjoy starting from now on and on and on.
Our relationship is all about generating, supporting, moving forward together as one team. Not only friends, not only colleagues, but however, this is family.